How to fix WhatsApp notification sound missing. In order to fix missing WhatsApp notification sound, ensure your phone is not in a silent, vibrate, or do not disturb. Now, as you could see at the very top, I have these Wi-Fi icon, the battery icon, and then the tower or the SIM card icon, and there you have a minus icon, right? This indicates that my phone is in do not disturb. So whenever you don't want to receive any sort of notification or any sort of pop-up, then you must have enabled this. So you might want to make sure to go to this do not disturb or DND mode and toggle the button off just by selecting, and that should definitely help you out get the WhatsApp notification back. Next, you also want to make sure to go to WhatsApp on your device, tap the three dot at the very top, go to settings, locate notification, make sure that notifications are toggled on. If doing this also doesn't work out, you go to the settings on your device, locate apps from the list, locate WhatsApp, and so toggle the button for WhatsApp and see whether this has been able to fix or not. So this way you'll be able to fix WhatsApp notification sound missing, or you could also increase the volume. So hold on to your side button or volume icon, tap the three dot, and there you have ring notification. If it has been at the lowest, that it might be one of the reasons why you're not able to receive the notification sound. So you can make it to a full or maximum as well. So this is how you'll be able to fix WhatsApp. If nothing works out, restart the device. That should also definitely help you out. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.